How to open AliExpress account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can open up an AliExpress account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to open up an AliExpress account, all you have to do is simply go in and first of all launch the AliExpress application here. Once you launch the AliExpress app, you want to just tap the account icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then at the very top you'll find sign in or register button, then tap on it. Now you can choose to sign in or create an account with Facebook, Google or Twitter, or you can go to more options. Make sure to choose an email address that you would like to use over here. Once you enter the email address, it will ask you to verify it and then create a password. And once you've done that, you have successfully created your AliExpress account. Otherwise, you can just come back, just choose any one of the social media apps that you might want to connect with here, select them, hit the OK option, and then it will get successfully logged into your account. And then here you can see, just like this, you can just go ahead and click the continue option, and then you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then also make sure to enter a password. So it has a link to your password, already has an AliExpress account, so all you need to do is make sure to enter the password, click the link account option, and then your AliExpress account will be successfully created. This way you can create an AliExpress account. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.